So, I had a really good idea. What if we took these and turned them into an X-Wing? Let's find out. Theme song. Kidding. I don't know how to do a theme song. Even though my dad could probably help me. So, let's grab tape. Where's the tape? There's the tape. So, we've got tape. Get about a string about this long. And make it circled and have the stickiness out. And then you put it on the bottom of one plane. We're gonna make a few of these because it's gonna make like 3. We're gonna make 3, so get 3 of them, and just put them down the middle. If you want to see how to make these planes, I think I already said this, but go back and I have a video for it. How to make a good starter plane or something. I suppose you could do this with the ones with tails, but this one would probably work better. So then you take this plane and you put it. Make sure. Oh wait, I put it on wrong. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, we gotta redo that one. Whoops. Okay, I'm a noob. There we go.
So what song should I do for Bible study tonight? I'm just come home and just trying to plan my
He's
song
doing
and song to lead in praise and worship as we study this marriage study tonight.
Okay. Oh, that tip is a little bit wonky. Make sure your tip is not like that. My tip is bad. So I'm gonna. There we go. Got it correct. Make sure your tip is good, and then just like fold it like a normal plane. Fold both sides like a normal plane. Yeah. I think this is this an X-Wing? Oh, it actually flies! Oh, that is dope! So it's 2 jets put together makes an X-Wing. And then you just like grab onto one of the wings and then throw it. So, oh, I have to do this again. This is like the 3rd time today I've had to do this. Wait. Just getting some safety stuff. Now here. So this thing looks really cool. It's very strange looking. I have to agree. I suppose you could grab it by the 2 bottoms, and then. Oh, that did not work. Okay, I guess you only have to grab it by 1. I don't know if you saw that, but it's pretty good, actually, I would say. I like it, and I think you do too. So comment down below and subscribe and like if you like it.